Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. So in today I want to share to you about how to welding any copper pipe with easy way and correct way. So let's go start it. Alright, for the first step we need to put one disc to this hole, right? We need to put this, we combine like this. Nah, if already, right, it is time for welding. Yeah, we shoot like this. Yeah, we gotta wait for the cover until become red. After this red, it is time for we put the silver to copper. Now it is time. Please look at this. It is the tips for welding a copper pipe. So if you use this way, I will make sure your welding is good. Right, it is done for welding the copper pipe, so we need to cooling down. Don't touch that because that hurt your hand. We wait for a second